Hi guys, my name is Juhita and on my channel I make videos on fashion, beauty and a few lifestyle related topics. So today's topic is one that is actually very close to my heart, but it's a topic that we all feel a little uncomfortable talking about, including me, and that topic is periods or our menstrual cycles. Now there's a lot of taboo around talking about menstruation, especially in India. We all are a little uncomfortable even discussing amongst our female friends or talking to our moms. We don't are not unaware of a lot of things that we can do to help ourselves, and that creates kind of a situation where we are uncomfortable talking about it, and hence our periods are also uncomfortable because of that, just because of lack of awareness, sometimes lack of knowledge about certain small tips and tricks. So today I want to share with you a few tips, very simple tips honestly, that can help you make your periods a little more comfortable. The very first one that I want to talk about is something that I have done since I was very young, and that is how to manage your menstrual cramps. I have used this tip over like very light cramps as well, and over very severe cramps as well, where I'm not able to even get up from the bed, and it works in all cases. It's a very simple home remedy, very honestly, that I'm surprised a lot of my friends don't know. You need to take some lukewarm water, not very hot, and a pinch of hing, which is asafoetida. That's it. So take a little bit of hing and then swallow it with warm water, and drink like maybe a glass or so of warm water after that. In about 15-20 minutes you'll start feeling the relief coming on. Basically what happens is, hing is a digestive, so it kind of helps you to release all the gas and the bloating which kind of stays in your stomach and causes the cramps to some extent. So this is a trick, honestly, I have used pretty much all my life. I know a lot of people use medicines, a lot of people use hot water bags. Hot water bags, honestly I have never tried, but it's external, so I guess it works a little slower. And medicines are something I'm just not super comfortable taking some kind of a medicine to deal with this, also because I've known about this trick since very young. So it's something you can definitely try. I hope it will work for you. It really does work for me, and I hope your period will be a little smoother because of that. Now the second thing, again something I've done since I was a child, since I was very young, but which is not something that is done by a lot of people, and now there are a lot of brands which are doing a great job with it, and that is talking about cloth pads. I had period rashes ever since I can remember, and after the third day the rashes get so bad that I cannot use a sanitary towel after that. So since I was very young, my mother used to give me cloth pads, which was basically old cotton cloth that I would roll up into a big wad like this, and then use that as a pad. I have done it ever since I can remember. I cannot, live through an entire 5-6 days of periods with just sanitary towels. I need these cloth pads. So. But what happens, and I realize this is true about a lot of people, that people have a lot of misconceptions about cloth pads, but that's not really the case. I mean, cloth pads are actually very comfortable if you wash them properly. They are very, very like you can wash them and dry them in direct sunlight, and that's a well sanitized cloth pad that you can use again. And a lot of people also say that they don't have access to old cotton cloth. For example, my sister, she does not easily get old cotton cloth that she can use. So there are brands which are working on cloth pads, and there's one brand I want to talk about, and that is PSafe. So PSafe has this reusable sanitary pads that they've come up with. This is an entire pack that you get, which has 3 regular pads and 1 overnight pad. The regular pad is about 280 mm, and the overnight pad is a little longer. It is 330 ml. This costs 499 rupees, and you can easily use it for 12 months by washing and cleaning it. It's a leak proof. They also come with a leak proof pouch. It's zero waste. The fabric is super soft. It's odorless and it's breathable. So let me show you what this is like. Let me just open this for you. I have opened it before. This is not an unboxing video, but basically this is what it comes in when you first get the box. This is the pouch where you can store your cloth pad, you know, when you are carrying it in your handbag, like a fresh cloth pad, obviously. Then this is the overnight pad. This is the long pad, you can see. And then you have 3 of these. These are the slightly smaller day use pads. Now you can see all of these, I'm just going to zoom in a little, so you can see all of these are like super soft microfiber cloth, and they come with this button system. What you need to do is, on your underwear, just wear it how you wear your regular pads, and then clasp this shut this way. So you can just clasp this shut this way, and that's it. Now the benefit with this, couple of things. This fabric is super soft, so it's not going to create any discomfort for you. This ensures that, you know, the sides are leak proof, which typically wouldn't happen with a homemade cloth pad, and also that the pad doesn't fall off. Like one of the things I feel that when I make my regular cloth pads, that happens is that there is nothing to, you know, kind of bind it with the underwear. So this ensures that your pad doesn't just fall off while you go to the restroom. So this is what it looks like. It's very soft. Like I said, I have used cloth pads forever, so I can guarantee you that they are fairly comfortable. What you can do is, when you start with, you know, on your lighter days, so you kind of get used to the idea of, you know, washing, cleaning, and you're not like stressed the entire time that you're going to leak. Get confident on your lighter days, and then go for your heavier days. The overnight one obviously is just like a little longer, so it gives you more protection at night. That's it. Otherwise, it's the same thing. Now the benefits: you don't get rashes. I mean, that's, I think, a huge benefit. Or you don't want to like. I think periods are uncomfortable on their own, so you don't want to deal with rashes. Then these are reusable. They are really good for the environment because you're using them for a long time. They come with inner inserts, so I mean, it's not just this cloth and this cloth, there's cloth in between, so it's absorbent. You will realize that when you use cloth pads instead of your typical sanitary napkins, the odor goes away, because a lot of these sanitary napkins, the odor is not from your blood apparently. This is what I've heard. The odor is not from your blood apparently. It's from the perfume, etc., that they put, and the bleaching and stuff that happens on the sanitary napkin. So this is odor proof, this is rash free, this is sustainable, it's affordable because you pay 500, you get 4 pads that you can use for an entire year, versus say you spend $100 and you get 10 pads that are all single use. So it's an investment, but it's super affordable. I really like, and I find it very thoughtful that they've come up with a pouch. You just put in one of your day pads, fold it in, and put it inside this. You have to go to the restroom, nobody even knows why you're going to the restroom. So it's very thoughtful, this entire bag. I really like this. I think the quality is good. It's something you can definitely try to make your periods a little more comfortable. Now the third tip that I want to talk about, I think this one is something that most people actually know. It's just we are a little lazy to do it, and that is some sort of exercise, whether it's whatever your jam is, yoga, dancing, running, just walking, whatever it is, just keep an active lifestyle. That really helps with menstrual cramps. I cannot stress the importance of it enough. it gives you other benefits. Your skin will glow, all of that. But a very active lifestyle helps to avoid menstrual cramps. So that's something you should definitely do. I know for a fact that when I am working out, I'm also super lazy to be honest, but when I'm working out or I'm doing something to have an active lifestyle, my cramps are not as bad as when I'm not doing anything and I'm homebound. Like right now when I'm in lockdown, it gets worse. So just try to do something that helps you, stay active, helps your body stay open, and that will make your periods as well a little more comfortable. So yeah, these are the 3 tips that I have for you today. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and leave me a comment. It will really make my day. Thank you. Bye.